Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us. So we're here to talk to you about the smart connected TM6 and all the incredible things you can do with it.
And so Bianca, what are we going to explore today?
So today we're looking at a brand new feature with the TM6, and that's a slow cooking mode.
I'm really excited about this new function, and I think it's a great addition to the Thermomix.
It really is, and it makes it so easy, it saves you time, and the Thermomix is doing all the work for you.
And it's that long, slow cooking that really tenderizes the meat and brings out some delicious flavors.
And a couple of things to remember when you are using that mode is to use maximum 800 grams of meat, and you can set the time anywhere from 1 to 8 hours.
That's great, and that means you can cook lots of different things with it, like soups, stews, pulled pork, curries, and this delicious beef casserole, which we've got here today.
That smells absolutely delicious. So that's just one of the great new features of the TM6. So thanks so much for joining us today.